Hi, my friends. Are you ready for a new recipe? Today, I'm very excited to show you how to cook the best spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti is such a pure comfort food. It reminds me of my childhood in the Midwest as well as my amazing time in Italy. And while fresh, perfectly cooked pasta is important, spaghetti is nothing without a solid sauce. I like my sauces like I like my adventures, big and bold. And this spaghetti sauce brings in lots of strong flavors from garlic, fresh herbs, and sautéed onions. These are the flavors that speak to me, but as you perfect the recipe, you'll eventually add the flavors that work best for you. I can't wait to see what you come up with. For this recipe, you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of sugar, optional to balance acidity, salt and pepper to taste, and optional additions like dried red pepper flakes, fresh herbs such as parsley or basil, and grated Parmesan cheese. Then you also need a saucepan, a wooden spoon or spatula, a cutting board, a knife, measuring spoons, and a can opener. Once you have all that, let's make this happen. The first thing we are going to do is heat the olive oil over medium heat in a saucepan. Then, add the finely chopped onion to the saucepan and sauté for about 5 minutes until translucent and lightly browned. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional 2 minutes until fragrant. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Then, pour in the crushed tomatoes and tomato paste into the saucepan, stirring well to combine with the onion and garlic mixture. Add the dried basil and dried oregano to the saucepan. If desired, sprinkle in a pinch of dried red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over low heat. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and burning. If the sauce tastes too acidic, add a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. This step is optional and depends on personal preference and the acidity of the tomatoes. Allow the sauce to simmer uncovered for at least 30 minutes to an hour or longer if desired. This will allow the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. Stir occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom of the saucepan. If you prefer a thinner sauce, you can add a little water or vegetable broth to achieve the desired consistency. Conversely, if you want a thicker sauce, continue simmering until it reaches the desired thickness. Later, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed. Add more salt, pepper, or herbs to suit your taste preferences. Once the sauce is cooked to your liking, it's ready to be served. Use it as a topping for spaghetti or your favorite pasta, or as a base for other Italian dishes. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or basil and sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top if desired. That's it! You will love it, I certainly do. If you like this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.